Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a mood board using Canva. So we're going to go over to the search bar and search for mood board, and we are going to get tons of templates all together. So I'm going to search for mood board and wait for whatever template I want to use. But kindly note that I'm using Canva Pro for this. I actually subscribed for it. But you can also use the free version and maybe go for the free template. So the ones that are pro version, you'd see they are written pro, but you can also get some free templates to use. So I'm going to go over and I'll select one template I need to create my mood board. So I'm actually using this mood board to create a style concept for a dress I'm about to sketch. So you can use it to create design concepts, color board, inspiration board and all of that. But for mine, I just want to use it to generate, I want to use it to sketch out a dress. So I need to group my inspirations into one, just few pictures. I don't need too much of it. So I'm going to take the first picture, and you can still proceed to delete the writings on it. So I'm going to go over to my uploads because I already have some pictures there already. So I'm going to just pick one and try to fit it into the first frame. So I'm going to go over and delete the image for that, and I'll drag this over to where I want it to be. So I'll double click on it and maybe just size it to fit into the box because I just want the neckline details. So I can either edit this, but I don't like the text, so I'm just going to I want something smaller, so I'm just going to delete it and duplicate one of these and fix right there. Then I'm going to call this neckline because I love the details there, the color details, so I'm going to just rename this as neckline. So it's fair to, let me change the color for this. I would want to change the color, so I'll just click on the upper part and find a color for this. Okay, black would do. Yes, black would be fine. Then I would go over to the next one, and let's include arrow. So I'll just fix an arrow for this. You can see the ones I used recently. I used them so many times I can't even count how many I've used, but you can still go over and search for arrows, and they are going to bring different type elements for you. You have to click on elements to actually get this graphics and all of that. So you can choose the animated or just a simple arrow. So I'm going to just pick one of this and just move it and just direct it to where I want it to be. I'm going to duplicate and face it to the other part too, because I need the both of them actually. Then I'll delete this. I'll delete the image for this and pick this one and try to fit it in. Oops, sorry, I'll have to undo that. I dragged it to the wrong place. So I'll just undo and drag this to fit into there. Then I'll proceed to delete the fonts on it because I actually don't need them. So it's as simple as this. You just go over, duplicate this, move it here, and I'll call this plaquettes. So I'm going to pick another picture. I think I'll pick the sleeve, and I'll just move it right here, delete the frame, and just move it to this other part. Then I'll call this sleeve. So let's fix the arrow here, and I'm also going to be fixing this for this part also. Then I'll create another one. Let's move this up to the upper part because it's quite dark down there, and I'm going to move this also, then delete the frame. No, I don't need this. So you can also choose to like let's use this fabric, include the type of fabric you want to use for this. So I'm just going to fit it in here, and I'll rename this as fabric. Then for this one, you also delete the frame and put something else there. So for this now, I'll go over to the camera roll instead of uploads, and I'll just simply select an image there. So I'm going to use the Pantone color I just found there, because let's say I'm trying to use this exact color for my dress. So I'm going to just call this color. Then for this one, I'll still go to the camera roll and select one. Like I said, you can choose to select from the recent uploads. I have everything there in the recent uploads because I initially used them for a different project. So in as much as we brought them into Canva, it will save on the uploads. But if you don't have them, you can simply go to the camera icon right here and still bring some from your phone gallery and take them into Canva. So I'm going to name this detailing and use the arrow and just point it towards this rhinestone detail right here. So I think that's that for every detail I want, and it's actually going to be a midi dress. So you can actually choose a template that has more than more like outlines, okay, but at the same time you can still choose to add one or more image right there. So I'm going to just simply indicate maybe how I want this dress to be, my style concept, any detailing you want added, you can just like just put it right there. So I'm going to say a middle pencil dress, a midi pencil dress made with crepe fabric for a lady in her 30s. A lady in her mid-30s. Yes, let's say mid-30s. Okay, I think that's fine. Then I can just include my name here, Sophia Jude, and go over to, let's adjust those colors and just pick some of the colors we have. So a very good thing about Canva is that it recognizes colors that have been imputed into the app already. So we have the blouse. You can see that it has already taken note of all the colors that relates to that particular first image we imputed. So you can just go over there and just select or pick any one of them of your choice, anyone you feel you want to like add to make your mood board pleasant to see. Okay, so I normally do this most times before sketching a dress, just to like have great ideas. So you can use this for anything you feel you want to use it for. You can also choose to delete the frames if you want to. Okay, so I think that's that. And here, so we have the neckline, we have the placket details, we have the sleeve, the fabric detail, the color code we would want to use, a little bit about the concept and the detailing. Yes, so that's that. I have this ready. So to save it now, you're just going to click on this, click on PNG, and just simply download, and it's going to automatically save to your phone gallery. So like I said, I don't know if I stated this earlier, I'm using my iPad to do this. If you'd want the version for the phone, I think they're still similar, just slight difference, kindly let me know so I can just make another video on how to use your phone to create a mood board. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye.